Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid hosted a launch event for his new album titled Contraband on Friday at the Bob Marley Museum. Damien Jr. Gong Marley, Agent Sasko and Bugle were among the list of artists who were out in their numbers showing their support for the reggae artist.
Long always on the grind. I'm losing my mind, waiting patience so long, now my time for sign.
Someone say that no like that. I'm off with them. Tell you through them. Gangzilla look like you're ready for that.
Alright, hey, that one on the boom. Well, I mean them junior gang, me sell up for me, not it. That's who don't know me from them, say me, my living top on a. Some cry, some smile. Some fight every day. Kabaka him rise to the top, cause he know what it takes.
We have to big up Gangzilla. Without him the album wouldn't happen. Love the energy. You know, I'm just overwhelmed right now. Trust me, I don't even know what to do. Like, I'm so happy with the turnout. The people them are listening to the deepest song, them I get the biggest forward them. As a musician, you know, and what Kabaka bringing right now, I love it.
I'm so happy to be here, you know, to share the space. Seeing Junior Gang, you know, Assassin, all of that unity on the stage, really, really important.
And I'm so glad that I could contribute, you know, to this. Like, I think it's a masterpiece and it's a mark in the history of reggae music.
I knew that it was going to be an amazing album, so congratulations, and I know it's only more great things to come.
Contraband consists of 16 tracks and features collaborations with others such as Natalie Rice from Australia, international artist Akon, and reggae acts Chronix and Damien Jr. Gong Marley.
I'm very proud to have played the role that I played in the album as, like I've been telling people, as a big brother in terms of the same role that my big brother plays to me, someone who Kabaka can bounce advice off of.
Marley is the executive producer of the album and is featured on the title track. Following the successful launch of the album, Kabaka Pyramid is gearing up for his tour that will run from June to July. His first stop will be in the US and then he will head over to Europe, then to the Reggae Festival in Spain. Reggae artist Jacure has released his latest single Risk It All featuring Haitian-American singer Felicia Ross. The single is the first from his upcoming album with VP Records and is included in this year's 25th anniversary of Reggae Gold. This is not the first time that Felicia and Cure have collaborated on a track. The two previously released the hits Call on Me and Unconditional Love. On Saturday, international dancehall artist Sean Paul took the stage with British pop singer Dua Lipa to perform their collaborative track No Lie at the UEFA Champions League final. Sean Paul is currently mourning the death of his father Garth Henriquez, who passed away last Thursday at the University Hospital of the West Indies. The international dancehall star shared a thank you message on Instagram. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.